Hey everybody, it's New Year's Eve. And where are we going, Nicole?
We're going to the aquarium.
You gotta speak louder.
We're going to the aquarium.
We did it 2 years ago. We had a great time, but we didn't get there till kind of late, so we didn't really get to enjoy the aquarium. This time around, we're going early, and we're ready to hang out with the fish. Right here is perfect. Yeah. Have a good night, man. You too. And so we have arrived. Aquarium of the Pacific. This is our shit. We're gonna do what's called a night dive. Let's go. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're inside.
You all enjoy your New Year's, all right?
Penguins are always super interested in GoPros, and this is not an exception. They're all right in front of me right now. They got spooked. Must have been a polar bear in the area. We are here with the stingrays. Let's take a closer look. About an hour and a half before it's time to celebrate.
Hello everyone. I'm so sorry.
She's groping my girlfriend. She's just groping her like a kitten. Meow.
No, I'm so sorry. That's adorable.
Did you spill that on her on purpose so that she would take her shirt off? Be honest.
Maybe.
Be honest.
Yes. Can I not wait for the ball to drop? I mean, I can't.
Jay Reed, did you bring your blindfold?
No, I
Because
didn't.
some shit is about to go down right now.
It's about to go down.
1 hour till the ball drops. There's probably not gonna be any ball dropping. There'll be some confetti that flies down from the sky. So, 1 hour. Let's go. Kiss the most handsome person in this place. 4 more minutes. The countdown has begun. We're at 50. You're gonna tell me how much you love me, because I'm gonna tell you how much I love you. And we're ringing in another new year together, and we're gonna have the greatest year of our life. And we got 36 seconds. Here we go. You go. You can't kiss me yet. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. We'll have to translate what she said later. She doesn't like to talk loud. I just missed the fireworks. If that ain't a goddamn metaphor for the way this year's gonna go. Jesus. This has been the Rim Vlog. Catch you next time. When I hear this song, the only thing I hear in my head is this dirty song I heard of it one time, and it says, licking my, sucking my, stroking my cock. And that's all I hear in my head every single time I hear this song. It's a great song, but that's all I hear is, here it comes, here it comes. Licking my, sucking my, stroking my cock.
Stroke my, lick my, suck my cock. It's the first time for you, so here's what you do. Unzip me and strip me and show me you care. Don't go ripping out my pubic hair.